Okay, so we're going to look at how you could come up, create, synthesize, any adjective you want to use. I guess that's a verb. Linear equations that have a certain solution, like 2, 0, -1. So this is actually what I do when I make up problems on the spot. So it's a good kind of skill to have, especially if you might be a math teacher one day. So it says there are many correct answers and at least 2, because like 1 is trivial. 1's really is easy. One answer you could give is just x equals 2, y equals 0, and z equals -1. Alright, that's a system of equations. I mean, they're simple equations, but that would be one totally viable answer. Alright, now let's say we want to get a little more complicated. So what you do is just kind of make up whatever expression you want and then just see what it would equal given these values. Alright, so let's say we just did x plus y plus z. Now we can't just set it equal to anything because x has to be 2, y has to be 0, and z has to be -1. Now if that was the case, x plus y plus z would come out to be 1. Right? 2 plus 0 plus -1 is 1. Alright, now there are an infinite amount of values for x, y, and z that could work and equal 1. For example, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 5, -3, -1. All those order triples would work here, which is why we need another equation. So let's see what happens if we double x, don't even use y, and let's say subtract 3z. Alright, well that would be 2 times 2 is 4, minus 3 times -1 would be like 4 plus 3, so it's 7. Alright, and just to make sure we don't have infinite solutions, because right now we have a plane intersecting with a line, which could be infinite solutions, we need a third equation. So let's try, I don't know, let's try 3x plus y minus z. Alright, well if x is 2, this would be 6. If y is 0, plus 0, minus -1, alright, that would be 7. So right here would be one example of a system of equations that has these values for x, y, and z as a solution. And that's why there are many correct answers. You could really do whatever you want to x, y, and z as long as you have it equal to a number that would make sense if, again, x was 2, y was 0, and z was -1.